Hello, my good friend. I'd like to take a few short minutes and introduce to you a business model that have allowed myself as well as my business partner to generate close to $40,000 in income received within a 6 to 7 week time frame. That business vehicle is called RE247365.com. 247, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Our business is never closed. It's an incredible business model that features 3 industries under one roof. We have the industry of commercial and residential energy, featuring electricity and gas. We also have the travel industry. That's the largest industry in the world. It's a separate travel store featuring the hotels, the flights, the rental cars, the cruises, the condos, and the resorts. We also have the lending store where small businesses all across the country can get anywhere from $5,000 up to $2 million in business funding for cash flow, inventory, repairs, remodeling, whatever purpose you need cash for. You can get up to $50,000 in 72 hours or less. And it's a very simple qualification. All a small business would do, they simply need to be in business for at least a year. They need to have a present lease, a commercial lease of at least a year or longer at their present location. They need to be able to document at least $3,500 a month in credit debit card sales, or $8,000 to $10,000 a month over a 90-day time frame, and commercial deposits going through their commercial account. It could be a combination of the both. We provide that documentation. It's a simple, seamless process. You fill out a short 2-minute questionnaire on the website. Corporate gets that application, assign a specialist that contacts that business owner. If it's during the weekday, it's normally within a 15 to 30-minute time frame from the application being submitted. The specialist works with that business owner. They work out the terms, the arrangements. They fund that account. 80% of all applications are approved. When they fund that account, anywhere from $5,000 to $2 million, we are paid 1% of the gross. Now, 1% may not sound like a lot, but it really is. See, because there's no limit to how many small businesses across the country or in your city or town we can refer. Let me give you an example. Let's say over the next 30 days, we referred 10, 15 different businesses for funding to help run their business. Could be a beauty salon, a spa, a hotel, a motel, a convenience store. It could be a pet shop, a florist, any type of small business that actually have a storefront and been in business for over a year. Let's assume one business got $100,000, someone else got $500,000, someone was looking to buy a piece of commercial property, it cost $1 million. Let's say someone got 25, someone got 50. Let's say it was $1 million in funding that was approved through your website. Well, 1% of $1 million is over $10,000 in commissions you would have received during that 30-day time frame. And all you did was direct traffic through your website. And it's as simple as simply posting your website that the company provides to you on social media, or utilizing the 8.5 by color flyer that the company already have pre-designed with your website on, and simply distributing that throughout the community. It's a simple process, but it gets much, much better. Keep in mind, we get income and commissions off of energy, off of travel, and off of funding. And the fourth income stream is team building. Now, team building is extremely important, simply because when you refer individuals to get involved with this company, it allows you to duplicate and leverage your time as well as your income. Now, right now, we have a strong sense of urgency, because normally it's $159 initially and $39 a month to be a BF. We are called BFs. Best friends is our official title, BLs for short. We aren't called reps. You're a best friend when you become a business partner with us. Now, right now, the company has a special promotion that's going on where anyone across the country can get involved with this company for only $49.95. There's a monthly fee of $39.95 that keeps you active for commissions. But any person that you refer that become a BF without a timeline, the company pay you a $50 fast start that's paid the next day. Daily pay, that's a beautiful thing. Now, let me break down the daily pay for you, because this money is strong. It allows individuals to see instant gratification. Now, when you personally enroll a BF, the company is going to pay you $37.50. Next day, you'll be able to see that in your back office. Now, if you already have the Visa debit card that the company sends to you, they'll download that on your Visa debit card. Now, each application is held for 7 days before they pay you for it, simply because we have a 5-day cancellation period. So 7 days from the time that you enroll that application, that payment would be downloaded on your Visa debit card that the company provides to you free, or they'll mail out a check. So let's say the day was Monday. We enrolled a BF on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Well, guess what? A week from today, we'll receive a commission check on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and Friday. That's a beautiful thing. $37.50 off every $49.95 enrollment, and the remaining $12.50 is paid to us residually over a 12-month time frame. And that's a beautiful thing as well. Now keep in mind, we want to have personal enrollments because we also receive a 50% matching bonus of all the commission checks our personal enrollments are generating for themselves on a weekly basis for the lifetime of their involvement. So let's say one of our BFs go out and they close a funding deal and they make $5,000 in commission. They get to keep their entire $5,000. That's all theirs. But our 50% match is $2,500 that RE247365 is going to pay us because that's a personal referral from us. One of our BFs go out and close a $2,500 energy deal. They get their $2,500. Our 50% match is $1,250. Someone goes out that's a BF of ours and close a cruise or a travel vacation package. They get $625. And commissions, guess what? Our 50% match is $312.50. So that's a beautiful thing. That's one of the reasons with this special promotion that's in place, we want to personally refer as many BFs as possible. Now we have a simple strategy to success. It's simply called you referring 3 that refers 3. And with that simple duplicatable process, you're now able to receive up to $390,000 that the company has on the table for each and every BF and player club bonuses. Let me explain. You come on board as a BF today. You simply refer 3 as quickly as you possibly can. That's going to pay you $150. You're going to recoup your initial investment and have $100 profit. Now, you want your 3 BFs to duplicate that same process. Your team of 3 BFs without a timeline, refer 3, that referred 3, it grows to a total of 50. RE247365.com awards you a $2,500 bonus check. Now, this bonus check is in addition to any other fast starts, commissions, overrides that you are receiving off of team building, off of energy, off of travel, or even off of lending. We can help you achieve this $2,500 bonus check in your hands before Thanksgiving in time for Black Friday, and that's a beautiful thing. But guess what? It gets even better. Without a timeline, your team of 50 refer a few, that refer a few more, and it grows to 100. RE247365.com awards you an additional $5,000 bonus check. Wow, $5,000 bonus check in addition to the $2,500. That's already $7,500 in income. Player club bonuses off of only 100 members on your team collectively. And it gets better. Your team of 100 without a timeline grow, refer a few, they refer a few, and they grow to a total of 150. RE247365 awards you an additional $7,500 bonus check. 150 people on your team, and you have received over $15,000 in bonus checks alone. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? That team of 150 without a timeline continue to refer a few. It grows to 500. The company awards you an additional $25,000 bonus check. 500 members on your team, it's a total of $40,000 in income in just player club bonuses alone that you, your organization, have received. That team of 500 without a timeline, refer a few, that refer a few, it grows to a total of 2,000. The company awards you an additional $100,000 bonus check. That team of 2,000, refer a few more, that refer a few more, it grows to a total of 5,000. The company awards you an additional $250,000 player club bonuses. All total, $390,000 in player club bonuses alone can be achieved by each and every BF by simply referring 3 that refer a few that refer a few. And ladies and gentlemen, you can control the financial destiny, the financial future of you, your family, your ministry, your organization with this incredible financial vehicle. But don't delay. Take action today and jumpstart this incredible income stream with this incredible company, this incredible compensation plan. My name is Dr. Steve Branch, and I look forward to seeing you all the way at the top and assisting you to going beyond.